As today, we Halchikas, Halchi is a village which was ruled by Kadambas. It is second dynasty of Kadambas. As we are facing problem, Archaeological Survey of India has adopted 4 temples in Halsi, mainly Bhuvara Narsimhadev Temple, Kalmeshwar Temple, Suvarneshwar Temple, and Ramtirth Temple, wherein we hardly can take any development works in Halsi. As we all know, Halsi has got its own heritage and vintage. As of now, from Government of India as well as Karnataka government, there are funds for construction of panchayat building, new funds, because here, as Archaeological Survey of India has taken these 4 temples into their belt, we are trying since 5-6 years to take permission and build a new panchayat building which should cover a digital library for children, upcoming youths. And I would like to request both the governments, state government as well as central government, to take care of these issues. And this village, in the year 1415, 1516, we started Kadambotsav. When we started Kadambotsav, there was government, respected district in charge ministers, respected tourism minister. This was started by R.V. Deshpande sir when he was tourism minister. At that time, Halchi came into limelight. Then they did it for only 2 years and they stopped suddenly. I don't know the reason why. Only thing is that from I being vice president of Halchi Gram Panchayat, this is my second term. First term, when I was chairman, we started Kadambotsav with the help of R.V. Deshpande sir ji. Now, again, I don't know, 5 years, previous 5 years I was not there in Panchayat tenure as well as Panchayat body. This year, this 2019, again I have been elected as vice president of this village. So, I sincerely would like to request state government as well as central government to come and set up a historical hub and make this Halsi village as a tourism hub, wherein we have got a lot of. Again, I have been elected as vice president of this village. So, I sincerely would like to request state government as well as central government to come and set up a historical hub and make this Halsi village as a tourism hub, wherein we have got a lot of areas to visit. If you make this, the local people, the people here majorly go for Ratnagiri, Kolhapur, Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad for their livelihood. If the tourism industry gets started up, then the people can have their livelihood here and they can generate their own income source. This would be in the near future, this would be a main tourism hub, as we have got border issues. That is also one major issue. they should neglect each and everything and come and see what is Halsi, where is Halsi, what it has, and develop this village